today I'm telling you the things to buy at Walmart to prep and get your stockpile going. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com. All right, number one is flour. Yes, flour. Now, I have checked prices. The Amish store in Minnesota, my assistant checked for me, Walmart, Sam's, Costco, Kroger. Pretty much flour stays about the same price, no matter across the board. But Walmart did have it slightly cheaper than those other places. Sugars. Now, white sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, all of those are cheapest at Walmart that I have found so far. That is where I would get them. My family loves ranch dressing, so we get it at Walmart because it is the cheapest there if we don't make it homemade. Pancake mix. The big family size things of pancake mix are cheapest at Walmart. We have a big family, so we use it a lot. That is where I get my pancake mix. Now, if you don't have a Big Lots, which is the cheapest because you get 4 ounces for $1 instead of 3 ounces at Walmart for $1. Spices. Get them at Walmart if you can't get them at Big Lots. Dollar Tree is a little bit less. Dollar Tree is 2 ounces instead of 3 ounces. But spices at Walmart if you don't have Big Lots. Beans. Canned beans I have found are cheapest at Walmart. Any kind, just your regular beans and then your refried beans, all of those canned beans. Dry beans are slightly cheaper at Dollar Tree. But if your Dollar Tree doesn't have them, Walmart is the next best on that one. Things like bouillon cubes are cheaper at Walmart. I get the dry cubes or the powder, I prefer. But if you can't get the cubes, they have this paste type bouillon that you do have to refrigerate it, but it does taste really yummy. Canned dinners. So things like chili, beef, chicken. These are all I love neighbors. I mentioned I just want a house that's quiet. Okay, canned dinners. Things like chili, ravioli, those kinds of things are cheapest at Walmart, even over Dollar Tree. And I feel like you have more variety with the canned dinners that you can get. Canned meat is cheapest at Walmart, even over Costco. Everybody says get canned meat at Costco, but it is a lot cheaper at Walmart. So I would get your canned tunas, your canned chicken, your canned beef. All of those are cheapest at Walmart. Canned vegetables. Now, you can get these during Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, cheaper on sale at stores like Kroger. But on a general overall basis, Walmart has the cheapest vegetables that I have found. Canned fruits. Once again, you can get this around the holidays cheaper at the grocery store, but if you don't catch it on sale, Walmart is the cheapest place to get all your canned fruits, your applesauce, peaches, pineapple, that kind of thing. Macaroni and cheese. 50 cents a box, you can't go wrong. I have not found macaroni and cheese cheaper anywhere else. Walmart is a really good deal. Mayonnaise. I have found mayonnaise to be the cheapest at Walmart. I personally love mayonnaise. If there was only one condiment in the world left, I would choose mayonnaise. Sorry, Jonathan, our viewer Jonathan does not like mayonnaise, but I have a fondness for mayonnaise that I love. So if it was only mayonnaise, that's what I would get, and I would get it at Walmart. minute rices and rices in general. So all the rice is cheaper at Walmart. I would have some minute rice and some regular rice on hand. Minute rice just for a quick, super quick, easy dinner. Rice is really simple to make, but just in case you need something really super fast for a reason, you can just make the minute rice in just a couple of minutes and you'll be set to go. Pastas. Once again, pastas are super cheap at Walmart. I usually get them there. I occasionally will find them cheaper at Kroger on sale, but the pastas at Walmart are a pretty good deal. Peanut butter, Walmart and Kroger are both the two cheapest places to get, but at Kroger you have to find it on sale. It will be cheaper at Kroger on sale, but Walmart has good peanut butter, most of the time. Dry milk, hands down, Walmart has been the cheapest for dry milk. So if you need dry milk, it takes up less space than the boxed milks. If you have space for the boxed milk, go for it. But I get the dry because it takes up less space. Cleaning products. Walmart seems to have the best cleaning products. I have found that the prices on cleaning products seem to be the best at Walmart. So if you need to get disinfectants, that type of thing, I would get them at Walmart. Vinegar. Once again, vinegar is really good for a lot of things, but I would get it at Walmart. It seems to be the cheapest. Dish soap and dishwasher soap, cheapest at Walmart. Stock up on that just so that you have it on hand. Yeah, I mean, you can use water and just a rag is fine if it's in an emergency situation, but these are things that are just nice to have that make life easier if you need an emergency, if you're in an emergency situation. Two things that are not cheaper at Walmart: honey and coffee. Both of these were significantly cheaper at Costco. So if you have a Costco membership, I would stock up at Costco. But if you don't have a Costco membership, they are cheaper at Big Lots than they are Walmart. So these are two items that a lot of people prep with, but they are significantly cheaper at Big Lots or Costco. I hope that gives you guys some ideas on what to buy at Walmart for cheapest. Of course, always check your prices. Check out our price book. Our price book helps you keep track. All you do is just put the name of the store and the price per ounce, and then you'll always know which store has it cheapest. And if something's on sale, you'll know if it's a good deal or not. So check out our price book. It's super cheap. It's only like $3, guys. You'll way more than save the $3 it costs on it. Also, we have a free ebook for you, our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 ebook. Go to our store, livingonadime.com, add it to your cart, use the coupon code without spaces, hit apply, and it will be free for you to help you start prepping with recipes for things that you can already make at home, like homemade taco seasoning and tortillas. All right, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Visit us at livingonadime.com.